In Norwegian, we have two verbs for to be. Å være and å bli. Å bli can also mean to remain or to stay, but here we'll only focus on the primary meaning. Å være describes a constant state in the moment you are describing the state. For example, han liker å være ute. He likes to be outside. Vi kan ikke være her etter klokka 4. We cannot be here after 4 o'clock. Å bli describes a changing state, compared to how water turns into a gas. In binary terms, it is going from one state to the opposite state. You can also think of it as becoming something. For example, Siri ble skadet på fotballbanen. Siri was injured on the football field. Here, Siri went from not being injured to injured. She became injured. Example 2. Folk har blitt leget av å spise et sunt kosthold. People have been healed by eating a healthy diet. Here, people have gone from not being healed to healed. People have become healed. Example 3. Det skal bli hyggelig å se ham igjen. It will be nice seeing him again. Here, it will go from not being nice to nice. It will become nice. Now it's your turn. Translate these sentences. Your experience will be different to mine. Is it være or bli? Number 2. I have been at home the last few days. Is it har vært or har blitt? Number 3. She had been depressed since losing her job. Is it hadde vært or hadde blitt? Number 4. We are being misled by our contractor. Is it or blir? Here are the answers. Number 1. Din opplevelse kommer til å bli annerledes enn min. Number 2. Jeg har vært hjemme de siste dagene. Number 3. Hun hadde vært deprimert siden hun mistet jobben sin. Number 4. Vi blir villedet av snekkeren vår. Did you get all of them right? Let me know in the comments below.